Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up and connect your ECOVACS DEEBOT N30 Omni with the ECOVACS app. We'll walk you through the full setup process. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Now let's go ahead, let's get this set up. The ECOVACS app is available for iOS and Android devices. We have a couple devices already set up within our account, but we're going to add a new device by selecting the first option in the top right hand corner where we can scan a QR code. So let's take our vacuum out. We'll pop off the cover here, and there's the QR code that we're going to scan. So we'll line it up. We just scanned it. Now we're taken to this screen where we need to connect to our home Wi-Fi. So make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Enter your credentials and then select Next. Now we're prompted to power on the DEEBOT, which ours is already on. As you can see, it's moving right here. But we can prompt, if you haven't already, open the unit cover and switch it on. But ours is on. Select Next. Now release the hotspot. So we got to press both of those buttons. And it's flashing, and we had the voice prompt there. Select Next. And now we can join the robot's network. Hotspot connected.
Robot is connected to your phone.
Just got a voice prompt there. Everything's going as planned. So far, so good. As it continues to connect. Just got the voice prompt. Network connection was successful. Boom, there we go. Now we can name it. Select Done. Downloading. Apps loading. Firmware update. Let's get that out of the way. Automatic update. Got it. And now we can swipe over to view our devices. And there it is. The DEEBOT N30 Omni has successfully been set up. It's that simple and straightforward of a process. It hasn't even taken us a full minute from start to finish.